Hello children, Namaskar. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Last week we have discussed the short question answers and skill builder of chapter number 13. Yes, I hope you all have written the short question answers in your notebook. Yes. So dear kids, today in this video session, we are going to discuss long question answers and skill builder, long question answers and application based question. Right? आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? We are going to discuss long question answers and application based question. So, are you all ready? Okay, so let's start with long question answers. Number first. Give 3 features of the sun. So, in this answer, what is the question first of all? We have to give 3 features of the sun. 3 lines on the sun we have to write. Right? हमें sun के बारे में कुछ बताना है. Yes? So, what we will write? आपको क्या याद आ रहा है? Yes, sun is a star. It gives us heat and light. Yes or no? It is made up of very hot gases. These are the features of sun. ये sun के features हैं. Yes, dear kids. So, how you are going to write? You can start your answer like this. The features of the sun are, then number 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So, how you will write? The features of the sun are, number first, sun is a star. Sun एक star है. Number second, it is made up of very hot gases. Then number third, it gives heat and light. Understood? This way you are going to write in your notebook. Now, let's see the second question. Describe the surface of the moon. Also explain why it is called a satellite. Now, हमें surface of the moon भी explain करना है. Yes, and also हमें बताना है कि why moon is a satellite. We all know that moon क्या है? Is a satellite of earth, right? So, क्यों है वो satellite? Yes, वो हमें बताना है. So, सबसे पहले describe the surface of the moon. Moon का surface कैसा है? The moon surface has huge and deep holes. Yes or no? Moons have mountains on them. Yes. So, first we will describe the surface of the moon. That the moon surface has huge and deep holes, which is called craters. The moon also has mountains. Yes. And then why it is called a satellite? क्यों मून को सैटेलाइट कहा जाता है? Moon is called satellite because it moves around the earth. सैटेलाइट का मतलब क्या है? जो एक प्लैनेट्स के अराउंड मूव होवे. सो मून जो है वो अर्थ के अराउंड मूव होता है. So that's why it is called a satellite of the earth. Yes. So how you are going to write the answer? The moon surface has huge and deep holes called craters. The moon also has mountains. The moon moves around the earth. That is why It is a satellite. How you are going to write? The moon moves around the earth. That is why it is a satellite. Okay, I hope you understood this answer. Fine. Number 3, describe the phases of the moon. So, in this answer, we have to describe the phases of the moon. Phases of the moon क्या है? Yes, so when the moon appears to look like a circle, it is called full moon. Yes, when the moon cannot be seen, that is called a new moon. And when the moon appears to look like a semicircle, yes, so that is called a half moon. So, understood about phases of the moon में हमें क्या लिखना है? We have to write one line about half moon, full moon and new moon. Right? क्या लिखेंगे हम? First of all, we will write about full moon, then new moon, and then about half moon. Okay? So, how we will write? Let's see it. When the moon appears to look like a circle, it is called full moon. When the moon cannot be seen, even on a clear night, it is called new moon. And when the moon appears to look like a semicircle, it is called half moon. So, do you understand this answer? First of all, we will write about full moon, then new moon, and then half moon. Okay? So, when the moon appears to look like a circle, it is called full moon. When the moon cannot be seen even on a clear night, full clear night hai, we can see the stars but we cannot see the moon. At that time, it is called a new moon. And when the moon appears to look like a semicircle, right? Semicircle wala hame dikhta hai in the night sky. So, it is called a half moon. Right? Understood this answer? Then are you able to write in your own words? Okay. So now let's see the next question, number 4. Fourth one, what are stars? Why do the stars appear tiny even though some of them are bigger than the sun? So हमें क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है यहाँ पे? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट आर स्टार्स? स्टार्स क्या है? वाई डू द स्टार्स अपीयर टाइनी? अब स्टार्स क्यों हमें टाइनी दिखते हैं? इवन दो सम ऑफ देम आर बिगर देन द सन. यस, हमने स्टडी किया था कि कोई कोई स्टार्स जो होते हैं वो सन से भी बहुत ही बिग है. राइट, सो हाउ, क्यों वो बिग है तो भी वो हमें बहुत ही स्मॉल दिखते हैं, टाइनी दिखते हैं? सो फर्स्ट लेट्स गिव द आंसर अबाउट व्हाट आर स्टार्स. स्टार्स क्या है? सो वी कैन सी thousands of stars twinkling in the sky. Yes, and like the sun, stars also have their own light. Now, some stars are bigger and brighter than the sun, but they appear very small and dim. Why? because they are very very far away from the earth. वो अर्थ से बहुत ज्यादा दूर है. Right? They are very far from the earth. That's why जो ब्राइटर जो बिगर स्टार्स हैं वो भी हमें कैसे दिखते हैं? They appear, we see them very tiny. Yes? So how you will write this answer in your notebook? Let's see it. We can see thousands of stars twinkling in the sky on a clear night. Like the sun, stars also have their own light. Some stars are bigger and brighter than the sun, but they appear small and dim because they are very far away from the earth. Because they are very far away from the earth, right? Understood this question? Okay, so here we have completed the discussion of long question answer. I hope you all have understood it. So now let's see the application based question. So dear kids, come on page number 144 in textbook. So everyone is on page number 144. Application based question. It was, see, I am reading here, you will read with me, right? It was Deepa's birthday. Yes, Deepa का birthday है आज. She got a special gift from her grandfather. Yes, हम सबको अपना birthday बहुत पसंद है, राइट? बिकॉज वो एक ऐसा दिन होता है जिस दिन हमें बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स मिलते हैं, राइट? एंड वी ऑल लव टू गेट दोज गिफ्ट. सो इट वॉज दीपा's बर्थडे एंड शी गॉट अ स्पेशल गिफ्ट फ्रॉम हर ग्रैंडफादर एंड इट वॉज अ टेलीस्कोप, राइट? दीपा के जो ग्रैंडफादर ने उसको गिफ्ट किया था उसके अंदर क्या था? टेलीस्कोप. He took her to the terrace and show her how to look through the telescope and view different stars, constellation and the moon. Now, दीपा के ग्रैंडफादर ने उसे टेलीस्कोप गिफ्ट किया, right? So now dear kids, say me, what is the use of telescope? टेलीस्कोप का यूज क्या है? It is used to see far object, distant object, right? So दीपा के ग्रैंडफादर उसे टेरेस पे ले गए एंड उसको सिखाया that how you can use this telescope and how you will see the different stars, constellation, moon, right? उसके ग्रैंडफादर ने उसको सिखाया. Then every night she looked through the telescope and observed the different phases of the moon along with the stars. Now रोज रात को वो क्या करती हैं? She go up to the terrace and she looked through the telescope and she observed the different phases of the moon. She observed stars, right? She even spotted the Orion constellation one night. अब एक दिन उसको ओरियन हंटर वाला, राइट, वो कॉन्स्टलेशन भी उसको दिखा. बट ऑन संडे शी केम डाउन डिसअपॉइंटमेंट, टेलिंग हर मदर दैट शी कुड नॉट सी द मून इवन दो शी कुड सी द स्टार्स. नाउ संडे को क्या हुआ? दीपा को एक भी मून दिखाई नहीं दिया. राइट उसको स्टार्स दिखाई दिए स्काई में, बट शी कुड नॉट सी द मून. हर मदर टोल्ड हर नॉट टू वरी एंड दैट she would see the moon on the following night itself. Now उसकी मम्मा ने उसको समझाया कि don't worry dear kid, it's fine, but you will definitely see the moon. True enough, the following night she saw a thin portion of the moon and she was happy. अब उसकी मम्मा ने उसको कहा कि don't worry, you will see the moon. राइट एंड उस दिन वो बात उनकी सच हुई एंड शी वॉज एबल टू सी द मून. यस उसको सिर्फ थिन पोर्शन मिला, मीन्स व्हाट वी कैन से एकदम पतली सिल्वर लाइन उसको दिखी यस मून की, एंड उसको देखते ही शी वॉज हैप्पी. उसको बहुत अच्छा लगा, शी बिकेम हैप्पी. राइट सो डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पैराग्राफ? Now let's try to give this answer. Number first, what did Deepa use the telescope for? अब दीपा ने ये टेलीस्कोप क्यों यूज किया, किस लिए यूज कर सकती है वो? अब टेलीस्कोप का यूज क्या है? टू सी कार, बसेस एंड ट्रेन, और ऑप्शन बी टू सी स्टार्स एंड मून. वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन, राइट? So what is the use of telescope? We are able to see stars, moon, right? Different constellation in the sky. Yes, so option B is the correct answer. Second one, why could not Deepa see the moon on Sunday? दीपा को संडे को मून क्यों नहीं दिखा? यस सोचने वाली बात है, उसको हर रोज मून दिखता था. शी वॉज ऑब्जर्विंग फेसेस ऑफ द मून, बट वाई ऑन संडे शी कुड नॉट एबल टू सी द मून? ऑप्शन ए इट वॉज अ न्यू मून नाइट, और ऑप्शन बी इट वॉज अ फुल मून नाइट. सो कब हमको मून नहीं दिखता है? ऑन द मून, न्यू मून, और ऑन द फुल मून? ऑफ कोर्स ऑन द न्यू मून, राइट डियर किड्स? So second answer is option A. Completed. I hope you all have understood this application based question. Fine. So here we have completed the discussion of chapter number 13. Yes, we have completed chapter number 13 of term 2 syllabus. Right? So here let me give you one project. You have to make a model of the solar system. Right? आप मॉडल भी बना सकते हो और you can draw it on the chart paper. Yes, आपको सोलर सिस्टम का मॉडल बनाना है. Yes, मॉडल भी बना सकते हो एंड चार्ट पेपर पे आप ड्रॉ भी कर सकते हो. यू कैन कलर इट. यस, सो आई होप यू ऑल विल डू इट एंड सेंड योर एक्टिविटी फोटोग्राफ्स टू मी इन व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, इन व्हाट्सएप, राइट? सो tomorrow we will start with the new chapter. I hope everyone understood chapter number 13. Yes. So today your homework is to write long question answers in notebook, and to do this activity you can make a model or you can draw solar system in the chart paper. That is also okay. Understood? So bye kids, take care, have a good day.